Welcome to educational channel of Suresh Bhatt classes. We are going to solve probability exercise 16.1 question number 8 class 11th NCERT. An experiment consists of recording boy girl composition of families with two children. Part 1. What is the sample space if we are interested in knowing whether it is a boy or girl in the order of their births. Part 2. What is the sample space if we are interested in the number of girls in the family? We are going to solve the part 1 of the question. We have been asked the sample space for knowing the number of boys or girls in order of their birth in a family of two children. So there may be, the family may have both boys or first boy and second girl or first girl and second boy or both the children are girls. So our sample space will be like this. Both are boys. Then we write BB, boys. If first is boy, then we write B, and second is girl, we write G, for B for boy and G for girl. If first is a girl and second is a boy, then we write girl boy, which is GB. And if both are girls, first is girl and second is also girl, then we write G. So this is our sample space, and BB, BG, GB and GG are our sample points. Part 2 of the question, what is the sample space if we are interested in the number of girls in the family? If both are boys, then there is 0 girl. If one boy and one girl or one girl or one boy in order of their birth, then there is 1 girl. If both are girls, then there are 2 girls. So our sample space will be 0 for 0 girls, 1 for 1 girl and 2 for both the girls or 2 girls. So our sample space will be 0, 1 and 2. Question 9. A box consists 1 red and 3 identical white balls. 2 balls are drawn at random in succession without replacement. Write the sample space for this experiment. We solve this question like this. As we are not replacing the ball, so our first draw we solve like this. There are 3 identical white balls and 1 red ball in a bag, and we are drawing the ball one by one. So our sample space will be like this. In first draw we get a white ball, so we write W for first white ball, and in second draw again we can get the white ball, so we write the W again for the second white ball. Or we can get the first white ball and second red ball, so we write W and R for red ball. Or we can get first red ball and second white ball. In second draw we can get the white ball. In first draw we get the red ball, and in second draw we get the white ball. So our sample space will be white, which is WW, white, red, which is WR, or red, white, which is RW. This is our sample space for this question. Question 10. An experiment consists of tossing a coin and then throwing it second time if head comes. If a tail occurs on the first toss, Then a die is rolled once. Find the sample space. In first toss, there will be two outcomes, head and tail. If head occurs, then we toss it again. So what we get? Either head or tail. And if in the first toss we get tail, then we throw a die. And when we throw a die, the outcome are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. So our sample space will be, when we get head, then it will be head and head or head and tail. And when we get tail, then we throw a die, then our sample points will be tail with 1 or tail with 2 or tail with 3 or tail with 4 or tail with 5 or tail with 6 on the die. So this is our sample space, head head, head tail, or tail with 1 on the die, tail with 2 on the die, tail with 3 on the die, tail with the 4 on the die, tail with 5 on the die, or tail with 6 in the die. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also press bell icon to get the latest notifications.